Hello, Julia. Have you finished it? The work? The notes? Oh my gosh, you totally ate. Thank you so much, bye. Oh my gosh, she totally ate it. What do you mean? She totally ate? She ate what? Rice, a vegetable? What's that? What she ate? And what she ate like that? You don't know that? I'll teach you that later. Okay, bye. Hey, good morning, sweetie. What? You were mid today? What that means? Mom, come on, I'll teach you that later. Now give me the breakfast. Hey, your classmate completed the whole syllabus of second term examination. What did you do all day? Mom, it's totally a cap. She'd never done it. Believe me, she's a cap. She's a cap? Sweetie, you're wearing a cap today. And you always wear a cap. What's wrong with you? She's a cap. She's a living being, man. It's not a cap. Come on, Mom. I'm speaking in English, but it's totally Gen Z slang, or you could call it teen slang in that generation Z, okay? Okay, I'll teach you now. Come on, come with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another interesting English video. Cause today I'm gonna teach you some Gen Z slangs to understand English very properly. Gen Z slangs or teen slangs you could call, and today I'm gonna teach you that. Why? Because many boomers or in generation Y or this type of thing, they pretty don't well know about this teens and Gen Z slangs. So it's for boomers and it's also for teens or non-native speaker. And when you go to and you're communicating with teens and Gen Z, that time you have to know that without understanding and using it, you're not a smart and cool guy right now. So today I'm gonna share it with you guys. So keep watching the video till the very end, cause a surprise for you. What's Gen Z called? Gen Z called who peoples are born in 1997 to 2012 or 2012. This types of thing. From 1997 to 2012, these are called Gen Z, and currently their age are between 12 and 17 that are called Gen Z. Okay, let's go. First number is stand. Stand. What stand means? Stand means to support one of the person and to become a fan or support that person, especially celebrities or famous people like that. When you call it like celebrities, like I'm a stan of Selena Gomez, I'm stan of her songs, I'm stan of her music, I'm stan of Einstein, this types of thing. Number 2, salty. Salty. What salty means? Salty means to describe a person who is very, every time she is jealous, angry, it's salty kinds of thing. Or here's the example. I couldn't play with her because when she loses, she's a salty person. She's definitely a salty. She's so salty, like negative emotions are coming in her way. That's why I couldn't play a game with her. Salty. Number 3, cap. Cap. I'm suddenly wearing a cap because today I'm gonna share you the teen cool slangs. But cap means in social media it's so famous. The blue cap emoji, it means to know a lie when some person telling lie or something is fake. Someone or something is fake. That time teen call it cap. Cap. In the front clip, I shared that, a teen shared that the cap, she's totally a cap. Means she's fake. She always tell a lie. She never done it. She's just fake. She's lie. This cap. If you tell someone this with the blue emoji, the person will think of you that you're telling the person's a fake or lies fake. So remember that in your mind. Number 4, aid. Aid. As I shared in the front clip, the teen she totally aid. Aid means to did a great job. Aid means to do a great job. Like she totally ate. She's so great. She did it very quickly. She just totally ate. You just ate, man. You just ate. So remember this in your mind. Number 5. It's really good and it's very common in social media, just like cap. It's called mid. Mid. I'm mid today. I'm not too good or I'm not too bad. I'm just mid today. I'm just okay today. I'm not too good, not too bad. When your friend just say that, remember your friend is not good, not too bad. Or it's similar to the word like I'm mid today. It means no here in the button, not in the up. That's called mid. I'm mid today, I'm mid today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a boomer or Gen Z or teen, this video will help you to improve your English slangs to go with the generation and just be cool and just chill in English. So remember that in your mind and start using that in your daily life and start understanding that. And do you have any suggestion for me to make video? Or do you know anything except what I called? And use these words in your sentence and you wrote up the comment. You can use mid, cap, or anything. Or you could also use emojis, as I say, blue cap. And if you like this video, please press the like button. And if you want to share it with your family and friends, especially Gen Z and boomers, you can also share it with your family and friends. And if you want to get more videos, English related videos like this, you must have to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon ting. And also keep practicing, keep doing the great work. Bye bye. See you.